What's going on, everyone? This is Drew Drives at Grubs Volvo Cars in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this 2025 Lexus IS 500 F Sport Performance. This vehicle is powered by a 5-liter naturally aspirated V8 with 472 horsepower and 395 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission, and it can do 0 to 60 in between 4.4 to 4.5 seconds. So the IS 500 is a very special car. I absolutely love it. I made a video on a 23 model, and I've driven a ton of these IS 500s. 2025 is the last model year for the IS 500. As you know, in the 2026 model year, the IS was facelifted, and the 500 is gone. So this is the 25 is the last chance you had to get a 500. And this one's a very rare one right here. It's finished in flare yellow, which I've never seen before on this car. Super rare color. And this one also has the Alcantara inserts and yellow stitching on the seats. I've never seen the Alcantara inserts on this car before. Let me know in the comments below like what kind of option that is on this car or how much it costs. Like every IS 500 I've driven, all just had regular leather, and I really love the contrast yellow stitching in black Alcantara, and the yellow stitching over here too. It's beautiful. You have ventilated and heated seats. You also have heated steering wheel, typical F gauge cluster, which looks amazing. You have a sunroof on this car. Really hot day today, so the AC is feeling pretty good. You have paddle shifters as well. You do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. I love the Lexus F gauge cluster. What sucks in the 2026 model year is that it has a new screen, so it doesn't have this gauge cluster anymore, which is a major bummer, at least to me, because I think this gauge cluster looks amazing. Here's your center console storage. It's enough to like keep your phone in there. They don't have a wireless charging tray, which is kind of a shame. So yeah, like, I mean, there's really no place to put your phone other than the cup holders will flop around or in here. Typical Lexus key fob. You also, this is a touchscreen, as well as you can use this touchpad right here. The rear seats also have the Alcantara. But let's walk around this IS 500 and we'll go for a drive. And it sounds amazing. These IS 500s really do sound amazing. So let's take a look at this flare yellow exterior. It's a metallic yellow, not something you see very often. And these are the IS 500 F Sport wheels. They look really good. It's like Y-spoke wheels. You also have black Lexus calipers, F Sport badge on the side. This also has a partial front PPF, it looks like. Looks really good. You have the Lexus spindle grille, black mirror caps. Here are the rear seats. I like this brushed aluminum. This is a very highly spec'd IS 500, just with the color and the Alcantara inserts and everything. I haven't seen one quite like this before. You also have quad outlet exhaust, the typical Lexus F exhaust design. It's weird how they don't have an F Sport badge on the back. I would think they would, right? Let's figure out how I can open this trunk. Yeah. I wish it was a power trunk. Here's a trunk. You also have a little Lexus pouch over there. Wonder what's in there. Premium unleaded fuel only, which makes sense. Hey, the thing with the IS 500 is it's not necessarily a very, very fast car. It's a very fun car with the sound and comfortable daily driver. What makes this car fun is the beautiful V8 sound. Like, this is not the fastest by any means. 4.5 seconds isn't really all that fast. It's enough for, it's a fast daily driver, but this is not going to compete with like an M3 or something. It's not even close. That's what you have to understand about this car. It's more so about the daily drivability, the reliability, and the sound, because the sound is intoxicating. Anytime I drive an IS 500 or any Lexus with a V8, I have a blast. Like the LC 500, IS 500, RCF, all of these, the GSF, all of them are just sound phenomenal. I wish they kept the IS 500 and didn't only make the new IS for 2026, the 350. see, it takes a second for it to shift too. That's one thing about these cars, like the transmission is just not that as responsive as I'd want it to be in a performance sedan. So it's like a torque converter automatic. If these had like a DCT or something like that, it would sound so much better. But yeah, when you put it over in manual mode, it'll, you know, shift a little bit faster, give you a better power band and everything like that. But still, the transmission holds these back a lot, in my opinion. Yeah, like the seats are very, very comfortable. I love the way the Alcantara feels. Like the seats will just hold you in place, and they feel good on your back and your legs. It doesn't feel uncomfortable in any way. I love the leather wrapped steering wheel. It's nice. And this is an interior that has been out for a long time in Lexus, but it still holds its own today. Man, it sounds good. You can never get tired of that sound. And this flare yellow color definitely stands out. You don't really see yellow Lexuses very often. It reminds me of the GSF where they have like that lava orange or something. I've never seen one in person, but they're extremely, extremely rare. So like if you want a IS 500, it's already pretty uncommon car. A yellow one, there's a good chance you'll never see it again. So this is the one, a car like this is the one to have if you want an IS 500 F Sport. This is what I would get. I would never get tired of hearing that V8 every single day, driving it. After a long day of work, just listening to that sound put me in a good mood automatically. It's a special car. steering feels good. These things handle quite well as well. Oh yeah, it's a 360 camera. I didn't know that. That's cool. Not the best camera, but it still gives you 360. But anyways, we've now returned to Grubb's Volvo Cars Grapevine. So that concludes today's video on this 2025 Lexus IS 500F Sport Performance. Really special car right here. I love this car. I think it's a great daily driving sedan with good performance, very nice rarity and reliability, and it's going to be a future classic for sure. So if you're in the market for an IS 500F Sport, here's your chance to buy a flare yellow one, which is extremely uncommon. Be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships and Grubb's Volvo in the description below if you'd like to take a look at this car and many other Lexus performance vehicles. And please consider subscribing to Drew Drives if you enjoyed. I'll catch you all in the next video.